Welcome to First Times with Skyler, where we do things for the first time. And maybe it works, maybe it won't. Today we're going to try to set a bead on a truck tire. Obviously you see it is off the rim there. I looked up two different ways on the YouTubers, and one was the dangerous way with starting fluid, which we have and we may try. Although it's pretty early right now, I don't want to piss the neighbors off. But the second way with a ratchet strap. So let's bear with me here and see if this works, huh? Alright, hopefully this camera angle works. I left my tripod out of nowhere, but so you got your ratchet strap down. Put this down to that tutorial. One in here. Make sure it's in the middle. Got the other end here. Right. Okay, see here is you want to make sure that the buckles here are not close to your valve stem. That's not very good. Good. Alright, fine. This button here, all in here. Right there, it's right around these. Where the work? Don't be mine. There it goes, filling up. Filling up. Gonna work? Oh my God. Woo, you get it? What the fuck are you arms doing out there doing the starting fluid, right? First time.